Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this graphic eyeliner. It might look really tough, but trust me, there is nothing easier than this could be. All you have to do is just be cautious and follow a few steps, and voila, this is easy as it gets. So let me show you how to do this graphic eyeliner. If you like this video, then please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. So here we go. Since I'm trying this graphic eyeliner for the first time, I'm gonna go back to my 20s when I used to use this to guide me for smoky eye makeup. This tape will guide your eyeliner, and also it will help you to prevent smudging of the eyeliner. So here I'm gonna just tape it over here, just like that. Just the way you tape it, and then cut it carefully. Okay. And I'm gonna apply this tape over. Well, instead of tape, there are other things available in market. So like this under eye patches, which are disposable, something like that, which is available in Amazon. If you are not comfortable with using tape on your face, then you can buy it also. But I do prefer this tape. So for the eye makeup, I will start with the basic. First, I'm applying this primer. Now I'm doing my eyebrows, and as I have mentioned in my previous video, I like to do it with eyeshadows. My eyebrows are done, and now I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow. And for that, I'm taking this color and applying this on the crease of your eye, right here. And then take a different brush and finish it up with a nude shade above here. Now I'm taking this glittery shade and I'm giving it, notice carefully, in the center of this eyelid, right here. And this will add some definition to this eyeshadow. It's preferable if you apply it with your finger. It gives a better finish. Now I'm going to blend this eyeshadow a bit. Alright, so I have blended the eyeshadow, and now it's time to do the eyeliner. And since I am doing this for the first time and I'm not that confident about this eyeliner, so what I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna draw this eyeliner lining with eyeshadow, and then I'm just going to follow this line and draw with the eyeliner. I have taken this thinnest angular brush as possible, and I'm taking this black color and I am starting to draw this eyeliner. And then it's time to draw this graphic liner. Okay, so I'm gonna do half, okay, not full. If I do full, then I have to do a fully winged eyeliner, which I'm not really confident about. I have to draw as per the crease, okay. these lines are like almost similar or something. If it is not similar, then don't worry, because this is just eyeshadow. Okay, if any mistake happens, you can erase it anytime. My eyes are actually different, so I can't really expect these lines to be similar anyway. Oh well, okay, now let's start drawing this eyeliner. And if you're not comfortable with liquid eyeliner, you can use a pen also. But I don't really prefer eyeliner pen because it really hurts my eyes. I think it's maybe because my eyes are quite sensitive. Now I'm going to use some highlighter. This is my regular highlighter. I'm highlighting the parts which are needed. Now I'm going to define this eyeliner a bit. So I'm taking this black eyeshadow again. This color, and I'm going to. Okay, first we need to wait until this eyeliner gets dried out, then do this step. Otherwise, yes. Let's remove this tape and let's see what exactly happened. For doing this lower part, first I'm taking a brown shade. I'm taking an angular brush and I'm taking the same shade that I has taken to do this part. And I'm taking thicker angular brush and I'm doing the lower part of my eyes. So do not go all the way to the corner, okay? I'm taking a thinner angular brush. I'm taking the black shade. Now I have to apply some mascara and eyelashes, but before that I want to do my face makeup a little bit. And since I think for this makeup a darker complexion will look good, so I'm using this Lakme 95cc cream today because its color is one shade darker than my skin color. And I'm using a big beauty blender to apply it. Be a little careful because your eye makeup is already done and you don't want to mess with that one. Now I'm going to contour my face. Now I'm gonna apply some blusher. I'm gonna apply the highlighter. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara. Before this, I'm gonna curl my lashes. Apply mascara. So first, I'm going to apply this magnetic eyeliner, and then I'm going to apply the lashes over it. Now, I'm going to do my lips. And for that, today I'm going to show you one lip hack, how to draw your lip outside your lip line so that your lip looks bigger and it looks a lot better with this look. Let me show you. First, do this. I am going to apply a nude shade in the middle. And I'm going to take a brush and blend these two colors. Well, you can say my lips are a lot bigger and it's looking quite natural. So this is my final makeup look. And now I'm going to change my clothes to my hair and wear some jewelry. And let me show you what it looks like finally. So there you go. This is my final look for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.